Okay, I was asked to give my opinion about this Kardashian. What's her name? Kohli, Cole or Kohli or whatever. I'm sorry, but I know Kim Kardashian. Means I know her, means in the sense I seen her first time in a porno, which was very exciting, and you know what happens there. And then what was it? Then I came to know Caitlyn Jenner, or what? Not Caitlyn Jenner. What's his name? Bruce Jenner. Sorry, Bruce Jenner, who I always admired as an Olympian. He became a she. And I was like, what the fuck was this? Then obviously Kim married that guy. What's his name? Kanye West. And those funny episodes and all that. Then obviously Kim Kardashian used to keep bumping into the headlines. She broke the internet. And how did she broke? She showed her bobs and vagin. I don't know what is the fascination to see silicone implanted artificial breasts and fat injected, oversized, an elephant sized butt. Such a big fucking butt. That also, you inject fat into it, and I sometimes wonder how she sits in the toilet. It's so big. Anyway, people like all that, so okay, whatever. Broke the internet. What broke the internet? Just for showing your vaginal opening or to show your nipples, you have a desperate crowd that goes, oh crazy, wow, broke the internet. Okay, whatever. Broke the internet, broke the whatever. For me, I was like, the Indian in me. So okay, fine. But I'll tell you, see, whatever said and done, I have to admire the intelligence of this female and the family, that they fucking capitalize on they capitalize on human weakness. They capitalize on a market that was not touched, and they all became billionaires. It seems that there is another Kardashian who sells makeup products and all that, and they have made millions and billions. Hats off to them. I have nothing but admiration for someone who has a business sense. Kim Kardashian, with her vagina and her boobs and her ass, made millions. People might say, they are without any talent and all. The talent that they have, oh fuck, look at this. What is this? What is this? I don't know, looks like a snake? Not snake. Worm? Centipede? Millipede? Something? I don't know, in my science class I has to learn all these things. I don't know, forgot. Some centipede? Okay, whatever. Oh, okay, so what I was saying was, see, they say they don't have any talent, but I see it as being business-minded, having the intuitive sense to capitalize on human weaknesses. She knew that she was dealing with desperate people who are sexually desperate, so she gave them what they want on a premium basis. Then she knew there were people who hero worship her, like teenagers or youngsters or insecure females or whatever. And there was a market for, okay, I use this makeup and look beautiful. I drink this water and it freshens my skin. I eat this food. I wear these clothes. And they got a strong legal team to ensure they wouldn't get sued. They bought a marketing team that, promoted them like the gods. And they made money. Nothing but admiration for them. I'm pretty sure if I was in her shoes, I wouldn't be able to do even 0.1% of what she did. So nothing but admiration. And I genuinely, from my heart, I admire her and her family for knowing how to make money. Agreed, the question is always ethics and morals and all that, but I'm not getting into that because nobody gives a fuck about it. And where money is concerned, money and power. Okay, no one in Hollywood is known for their moral values. Let's put it this way. Harvey Weinstein, the people who used to thank him and stand next to him, were not actually Mother Mary and Jesus. Okay, so let's keep that aside. Now, it seems that apart from a TV series or Keeping Up with the Kardashians, which I've never seen, I don't even know what it is. It seems that there is this new Cole or Cole Kardashian or something. I didn't know she was famous, and it seems that she keeps showing photographs of her with Photoshop, which should be obvious. Now it seems one photo of her leaked, or someone by mistake put it up, uploaded it, and now her legal team is trying to sue people for using that. Now I saw the photograph. Oh my goodness. What the fuck is that? That was my first reaction. It was hideous. I mean, when you look at someone sexy and beautiful, you should feel like, wow, it's nice. This one looked like I don't know what the fuck to say. It looked so abnormal. It looked like you know, when a small child draws a girl, how hideous it looks, how imperfect. Like it came like this, and her bikini, I don't know, what do you call that, G-string or thong or whatever, looked like it's hanging. It looked like, you know, an oversized, shapeless human being is wearing that. Her chest was flat and her skin looked horrible, and I was like, what the fuck is this? In fact, she looked so ugly that, you know, even if I was super horny, even if I was like, I didn't masturbate for months and I want to have sex, I would feel put off with this. It was that ugly. So I was like, what the fuck is this? I was like, oh, of course anyone will, you know, want to take this down. But then I was like, how does she look otherwise with Photoshop? So then I did a bit of Google search and all that, and I found I mean, she doesn't even look normal, man. If you see any of the photographs, I mean, which part looks normal to you? Like see, when you have a breast, it should be normal, not this oversized thing. Okay, fine. And then your waist should come down, and it should be like, you know, like hips and all that. It comes down here and doink, it goes like a mammoth swelling or something, like as if you got a hematoma, you know, when you get hit on the head and your head swells like this. It looks like a cancerous growth, man. It's like, what the fuck is this? And then they're lying down on the boat, and I don't understand what is the fascination to see. Okay, fine. I know that there are people who are crazy for sex and who are desperate, and not desperate, like they enjoy this. Okay, let's put it this way, that they enjoy seeing naked women, and they like to see nipples and breasts and vaginal openings and bum holes, and they get turned on. Fine. But you're seeing the same thing over and over again. And then on top of that, this is not even natural. This is injected with silicone and fat. And then on top of that, this is photoshopped. What is the fascination with this? The thing is, I didn't know about this until one of my friends sent me, look at this shit. I was like, oh fuck, what the fuck is this? When I saw that photo before. And then she has put a video after where she's again covering her tits and showing her abs and her ass. And I don't understand. Forgive me, it's far beyond my thinking. Maybe because this is not my kind of content. See, if we admire someone for, fine, even if they take steroids, let's assume someone took steroids, but they work hard to develop a physique, I would admire that. But you're injecting fucking silicone, you're doing, you know, operations to get a fake body. What is the admiration for that? You know, I'm just thinking, I'm just imagining. Just imagine walking with a fucking water balloon or a silicone in your body and doing, and you feeling it moving and jiggling, and how horrible that is, man. If I have some food in my stomach and when I'm running, I can feel it moving. Just imagine, like, these people, the amount of fat and silicone that they're taking in their bum and their legs and their... For me, what I think about, I think it's stupid. I think the whole thing is silly. But yes, her reaction to this makes sense because it'll destroy her brand value. People laugh at her, haters will have a field day. And, you know, it's damaging for the brand. But I don't think the damage will be permanent. people have a very short-term memory. They'll forget about it and they'll go back to worshipping her. And people who are desperate, they'll forget this image, they'll bring out a new image. And for her, in order to make sure that you still admire and love her, she'll put out more racy photographs and say leak and this and that, and she'll maybe put out a porno video, and before you know, everyone will start masturbating to that and forget about everything else. Because you know, when blood can either move here or down there, that's why they call it dickhead, no? So one head only it'll go to. My only thing which I feel sad about is such images and such photographs, and the narrative that she's giving is very bad for children, very bad for youngsters. There is a lost generation of boys and girls who fall for this, and they will be misled into believing this is beauty or this is real, and then they consume these products which don't give any result, and that in turn leads to so many other complications. So there's a dark side to this, and I just feel sad for the younger children, that's all. Otherwise, show your bum hole, open your vagina, put whatever you want, whichever part of the body, who the fuck cares. So that's what I think. I don't know, you tell me, what do you feel? Because I just feel for the younger generation, especially for girls with low self-esteem, and this really is not only toxic, it's dangerous. The sad fact is, if this Kardashian is not there, there'll be a Paris Hilton, or there'll be a Nicki Minaj, or there will be a, what is that, WAP, Cardi B. So it just depends who takes advantage of the demand in the market. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Alright, this is me signing off. You take care.